Hi guys, today I'll be telling you how you can simply add a blog post in your WordPress website. So first of all, we have to go to your domain slash wp-admin, domain slash wp-admin, type your domain and then type slash wp-admin. Mostly WordPress users, this is default WordPress code for logging to backend. Now enter the ID and password for your WordPress. Now as we are in the dashboard of our WordPress website, so we'll hover on post and then we'll go to all posts. Here you can see two blogs are already posted. We'll post a new one and we'll click on add post. Then you enter the title here. I have already written it, asked ChatGPT to write a article for me. For example, this one. So copy this. This is the title, main title of your blog. And then here there are two ways to write a blog. You can write do it from this WordPress editor, or you can also do it with Elementor. I prefer doing it with Elementor, but because I'm used to it. But you can do it here as well. So now we have to, for example, if you enter the forward slash, you can see there are various options: heading, image, gallery, list, quote, audio, calendar. You can add any of this. So let's see what we have here. We have a paragraph. So if you're writing a simple paragraph, you just have to copy and paste the text, or you can simply write it. You can like write it here as you wish, or I have written it, so I'll paste it. Then we have heading. So you can use heading as well, or you can simply copy it so it will catch it. Let's see, copy it and then paste it. So yeah, as you can see, the heading is already pasted here. So we'll copy the remaining block till final thoughts, copy it, paste it. So as you can see, this is the heading, this is the text, all the text I had to add, and open the sidebar from here. Here you can you can enter the featured image for your blog, which will be shown when you share the blog or someone comes to your blog. You can edit, upload any image from your gallery from here by selecting files. And if you have already, let's pick a random image here, any image, this one we can say, and we'll click on set featured image. So the image is set. So show featured image in the post list only, but hide it in the single post. Just remain it, just leave it as this. So as you can see, so here you can add a category here. For example, this is mistakes in PPC. I'll click this category. Then that's it. If you click on here, this is I have installed the rank math plugin, so it shows how my blog is according to the SEO. So enter the focused keywords here. For example, my focus keyword was Amazon PPC mistakes, or mistakes in Amazon PPC. So let's see. Here it will show you one by one that what is wrong with your, for example, focus keyword does not appear in this SEO title. So you'll use it. 5 costly mistakes in Amazon PPC, and hooray, you can see this is green. So if you want to optimize it for SEO, you have to do all the things here. And if you don't know how to do it, just hover here on the question mark and click here. It will guide you. The rank math, you can say the rank math blog will guide you what you can do to make it better. So it will be done in a good way. There are additional errors. Some are good, some are not good. So you have to check all of them and you have to tick all of them to make your article a SEO optimized properly. After that, you can simply click on plug publish and then click on publish again and your article is published. Let's click on view post and see what we have got here. Okay. So we haven't got it good, but if we do it from edit with Elementor, we'll be getting a good blog post here. For example, let's see my previous blog post which I have done through Elementor. Let's click on view and see what we have here. Here you can see header, title here, the main featured image here, and then the blog here. So this is how you can simply do it through
Hope you
Elementor.
all understood it, and do like and subscribe for more videos like this. Have a great day. Bye bye.